and welcome to a new episode of Foodie Zest. Today let's make brinjal curry. Let's get into the video. We need 2 small-sized brinjals, 1 medium-sized onion chopped, 1 small-sized tomato chopped, a sprig of curry leaves, an inch-sized ginger peas, 8 to 10 garlic cloves, 5 shallots, a lemon-sized tamarind pulp. And the masalas required are 1.5 tablespoons of coriander powder, 1 tablespoon chili powder, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon mustard, and half teaspoon fenugreek seeds. Then we need some salt and oil and some plain water. Let's start making the recipe. First heat a pan, add around 4 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is hot, let's fry the brinjals first. Fry them until the skin gets slightly wrinkled and you get a nice brown color. Now it's done, let's take them out. Now into the same pan, let's add the mustard seeds, and once it splutters, let's add in the fenugreek seeds, some curry leaves, and then the chopped ginger and garlic, saute them for around 1 second, and then let's add the shallots. I have cut them into halves. Add in the chopped onions. Saute them well until the onions become soft. Add some salt. Now the onions have become soft. Now let's add in the masalas. First goes in the turmeric powder. Then the coriander powder, chili powder. Fry them well until the raw smell goes off completely. Once it's done, let's add in the chopped tomatoes. Let's cover and cook it for about 2 to 3 minutes. Now the tomatoes have become soft and cooked well. Now it's time to add the fried brinjals. I had soaked the tamarind pulp in water to make the puree. So now let's add it too. Give it a nice mix and add some water. Let's cover and cook it for around 7 to 8 minutes. So now after 8 minutes, it's almost done. It has boiled well. Now let's check for salt and add if necessary. Here I am adding 1 teaspoon of grated jaggery. You can very well skip this step. This is just to balance out the tanginess. Give it a nice mix and switch off the flame. Ta-da! Here is our spicy and tangy brinjal curry. You can have it with plain rice or even with dosa. I know many of you might not be liking this vegetable, but just try this recipe once and you might like the vegetable for the rest of your life. Please leave your comments in the comment box below and let's meet again with a new recipe video. Like, share and subscribe, and thanks for watching Foodie Zest.